How's it going, guys? And welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto with your boy Xander. Got another good one for you today. We're just going to talk mostly about the market cap and what we can expect and where we see it going. Also, but just to start off, just to let you know, I just bought into some more Litecoin, sitting at about 130. I missed out last night. It dropped to just over $100, which is crazy. I never thought I'd see Litecoin at $100 again. Where did it see? Yeah, just it hit to 107 on here. I think it hit like 103 on Coinbase, and it just immediately shot back up. So if you got it there, good for you. That was like at 7 o'clock this morning, something like that. Unfortunately, I didn't get paid till today, so I was unable to put more money into it. But I got some more this morning, sitting at about 130, which is still a phenomenal price, completely undervalued, still an amazing buy either way. But if you want to wait for it to get down to 100 again, you can try. But obviously, there's no guarantee that it'll get down there. Just never be mad about missing the bus if you're just gonna wait for it constantly. If you see a bus go by and you say, "No, I'll wait for the next one," and another one doesn't come, that's on you. Remember that. But we're seeing a $423 billion market cap. Oh man, we saw it dip so hard, so hard. I don't think most people were ready for this. We were finding a lot of resistance around this $500 billion mark and just a little above it, especially since our last dip went all the way down to $430 billion and then back up. So it stayed around there for a while. I mean, obviously, there's a little bit of fluctuation, but for the most part, nothing crazy happened over the last few days, and then just dropped. It plummeted. Everything started just another bloodbath, man. Bloodbath after bloodbath. You guys, I'm feeling it. You're feeling it. I know your wallets are feeling it. But HODL, just like the song that I just wrote, I really hope you guys like that. I really did make that for y'all for 1,000 subscribers. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I put a lot of work into it. It's just kind of a fun song, and I really love music. You know, you guys know I back Voice, which is the music token or coin, and I just love music. So if y'all ever want me to write anything else, or if you you think you're like, hey Xander, you suck, don't write any more music, that's okay. That's okay. You don't have to like it. I don't have to post any more music. I understand. I'm not the best singer. I like to think I'm a decent writer. I thought there were some funny jokes in there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Anyways, but yeah, we saw it go all the way down to the market cap to $350 billion. It's painfully low. That makes me worry a little bit. Like, I don't like seeing it drop below $400 billion. We haven't seen that in, like, since, let's see, $350 billion since right around that dip right in the beginning of December. So technically only just a little less than 2 months ago, but in the crypto space, that's a long time ago. That's over, considering we got all the way up to $830 billion, that's just a scary sight. We don't like to see it. But I'm not one of those people who believes that Bitcoin is a bubble. And I don't think anybody who invests in Bitcoin thinks that it's a bubble. And if you do, then get out of here. Like, what are you doing here? What are you doing in a bubble? If you think that it's just gonna pop, all of our money's gonna go away, then just leave. Like, I don't know why you're here. But for us believers, we know that it's gonna come back. January is always a bad time. I don't think any of us were expecting it to drop this hard, which is unfortunate. But again, I just always say HODL, and this is just the best buying opportunity over and over again. I just can't tell you guys enough. Like, every single paycheck that I get from my 9-to-5 job, I am putting into this. I'm buying more Litecoin. I'm getting more Tron. I'm getting more, especially things that I really believe in, or something that's on a really good dip. Like, I know Social Send, man. I've been backing Social Send for a while, but it is ridiculously low right now, sitting at 20 cents. We've seen this thing get all the way as high as over $1. So it's sitting at 1/5 of where it was. So just to get back to where it was, you're going to get 5 times your money at a $6 million, $6.6 million market cap. That is so low. It is so undervalued. Social Send is going to be big, guys. I believe in Social Send. Social Send is going to be huge in 2018. Social Send and Voice. Voice as well. Like I said, I back music and anything like that. Sitting at just below 4 cents. I originally bought this back whenever it was worth about 1 penny, 1.5 pennies, and we saw that it hit all the way up to where to go, about 17 cents. So I was already looking at like more than 10 times my money. So it was already ridiculous. I got at 107 satoshis, or equivalent to Bitcoin, 107 satoshis, which was really good. So I'm still technically sitting positive on my investment in that, on my original investment. I did buy some more at a higher price, which is unfortunate, but again, I'm just going to get more. I'm just going to keep getting more. If you believe in something, just keep getting more of it at the lower and lower price. Sitting at a $20 million market cap, I just think it has so much room to grow. It's crazy. All these amazing projects that are just going to be huge. It's just, I don't know what to tell you guys. Black Friday sale, keep buying, keep buying. Yeah, and I have a lot of people I've noticed come on to some of my videos, like some of my old Tron videos, or basically anything. They're like, because we said, oh, Tron may be bouncing back or something whenever it got up to like 7 cents, and then obviously it came back down to 4 cents, and people are like, oh, I guess hindsight, hindsight's a bitch, huh? And I'm like, bro, come on, chill out. Every single coin is in a bloodbath right now. And I'm gonna tell you, I don't have I'm not a fortune teller. I don't have a magic ball. I don't know exactly what's gonna happen. This is just my friendly advice. I hope you take it. If you don't have to. We're all adults here. Make your own decisions. Do your own research. I want you to do your own research. I'm not a professional. This is not financial advice. This is friendly advice. And I hope you just compare it with yours and decide on your own what you want to get. Now, do I know that Tron is going to go up by the end of the month? No. Do I know that Tron is going to go up by the end of the year? No. I can't 100% guarantee anything. Nobody can. But I know that Tron is an amazing project with really good people behind it. So I think it has one of the best potentials. And that's the main thing. I'm investing in potential. And that's what you should too. Nobody knows if Bitcoin is going to hit. Everybody's been saying, Bitcoin's going to hit $1 million just a couple months ago. And then now people are like, Bitcoin's going to burst and it's going to be worth $0. It's like people's opinions change constantly based on what's happening in the market. I don't base my opinion exactly what's on the market. Just because the market's going down doesn't change my opinion on a coin like Tron. I don't think that Tron's just going to go blip because it's not doing good right now. Nothing's doing good right now for the most part. We got a couple of coins that are in there and out of there. Tether, I had I made a couple of videos on Tether. I checked it out. I thought it was cool. Made a video. And then I found out some more stuff about them, and I thought they're a little sketchy. Maybe you don't want to put money into them. And I had a couple of people that were angry about it, saying that, I shouldn't be promoting something if I don't know 100% about it. The thing is, we don't all know 100% about anything. New news comes up all the time. All the time, guys. Tether had just gotten in with some of their financial advisors and stuff like that. They just had problems with them. And it just started seeming like there was more and more proof that they weren't backing it by USD, stuff like that. But it's not a guarantee. Like, I'm not saying that they are a scam. I don't want to say that they are a scam because I don't think they are, but I just think there's something sketchy about them. So that's why I'm not putting any money into it, and I don't want to recommend you do and then it be bad. But for what we know right now, it's still worth $1 or 99 cents or something. And if you'd have put your money in here, you still would be golden right now with all of these things dropping, and then you could pull it out and put it into whatever you wanted. So it would have technically still worked right now. But is it going to work in the future? I don't know. That's up to you to decide. But as always, guys, just do your own research. Sitting at a $423 billion market cap. Sorry about ranting. Just had a couple things to say. $423 billion market cap. Where do you guys see it going from here? Because I want to say that we're recovering. I mean, this is up almost 100. That's up 70 billion from last night. So that's good. But could we see it drop below even more, up to 300 billion, to 200 and plus billion? That's not something I want to see technically. Like, I kind of want it to stay lower and lower for a while so I can keep getting my next paycheck. buy some more Litecoin, buy some more Moneta, buy some more Boys, Social Send, Tron, yada yada. Just keep getting things, and the longer it stays down, the more I can invest into it because I'm in this for the long term. So the more it stays down, the more I can get. But then again, if it just skyrockets, I have a good amount of money in there. I'm happy with my investments that I have right now, so it's not a big deal. But if it skyrockets to 600 billion, $700 billion, everything's way in the sea of green, I'm not going to be investing anymore. So now's the time to stack up on coins, guys, and just, get ready for the ride for when this bull market just starts taking off again. So, saddle up and get ready, guys. But as always, like the video, mash that subscribe button, leave a comment below of where you think that this market cap is going, and when do you think that the bull run is going to start up again. And for the question, I try to leave with all the time now, how are you keeping up with crypto? And I'll see you in the next one.